underway in Assam. Weekend lockdown violators face music in Diphu. Zero development in Daldali areas. Public alleges unfair treatment. Successful candidates of HSLC and HSSLC 2020 felicitated in Paklongkam. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Jillian Hansapi with the latest news for today. And now the news in details. Due to the rapid rise in the COVID-19 case in Assam, the state government has declared a fresh lockdown in the state. Along with a complete lockdown for 14 days in Kamrup Metro beginning from June 29, the weekend lockdown for all other towns and municipal areas of the state also came into effect since yesterday. Accordingly, the Karbi Anglong district headquarters also wore a silent look due to the lockdown on Saturday. COVID-19 had so far claimed 2 lives in Karbi Anglong, and the total numbers of people infected have touched 171. There is also a big fear among the people of the district over risks of infection as the state is witnessing huge surge of COVID-19 cases every day. As per state government announcement, the weekend lockdown and night curfew has also been put in place in Diphu as well. However, several people in the rural areas are still not clear about the weekend lockdown and are still in the state of confusion due to the sudden imposition of the state government's order. On Saturday, all offices and business establishments were shut and buses were suspended. Private vehicles were also prohibited from plying and individuals seen venturing out on the streets was dealt by the police personnel on patrol. The district administration had very clearly stated that violators of the lockdown regulations will have to face punishment. However, several people are still seen to be not at all serious. Roshan Hanse from Diphu, Karbi Anglong Live. People of Daldali, a tribal-dominated village under Dhansari MSC constituency of Karbi Anglong district, have been deprived of basic amenities even after 69 years of the existence of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. The area is completely absent of almost everything one could imagine. The areas situated in east of Lumbajong MSC constituency and few kilometers from district headquarters has a population of around 3,500. The majority of the families earn their livelihood by collecting minor forest products, while some sustain themselves through daily wages. Daldali area, which falls under Dhansari MSC constituency, does not have healthcare facilities, road, education facilities, power connectivity, and a source of safe drinking water, a physical trait of medieval period. Absence of an all-weather road is the biggest hindrance to basic necessities of life, healthcare services, food, and denial of socio-economic development of this area. Residents of several villages in the area allege that many development schemes never reach their area, even as the state government has been stressing optimum utilization of funds for such rural pockets for villagers of these villages. Development is still a far cry. Due to lack of road, patients are often carried on bamboo stretcher. Villagers told that they are not able to use mobile phones due to poor mobile network and internet facility in the village. Further, villagers said that they have been facing untold miseries due to the pathetic road condition for decades, stating that they are left at the mercy of their own fate. No government cares for the people. Villagers also told that they had approached the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council several times in the past to demand fair treatment to villages of Daldali area, but has not yet received any response from the elected representatives of the local authority. Villagers have also made appeal upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and Development Agency to stop their stepmotherly treatment by introducing development schemes in the areas to help people avail benefits of various developmental schemes and projects meant for them. Bikram Kro reporting for Karbi Anglong Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. Stay with us for more news. Welcome back to Karbi Anglong Live. With a view to encourage and motivate the young generation towards hard work and quality education, the youths of Mentaro village had organized a felicitation program on Saturday. The event was organized by local organization Mentaro Youth, and the event was held at Genius Academy, Paklongkam. Altogether, 39 students from the nearby areas who have cleared their HSLC and HSSLC examination were felicitated in the program. Mahamaya MEC and KAC EM Lunsing Teron, who graced the event as the chief guest, praised the students for their hard work and also lauded the local people for creating peaceful atmosphere for education. He said that progress in education is a sign of development.
Ati Dokmuka town lapende Parokwa lapende Denlong kadu penati hilu kita ana tokolong kita mialang itu trike first division tu second division ta tu lasila tu nang tu phaten kini tu ladak alang itu kan hirjubi ame isi le da padu konlo lasila solo got pini api puta tu lo lapende da school principal ta tu lo lapende tu team itu Muhammad team itu UDC dan Chenglok Dokmuka University board chairman kadu wian bangsi karalong isa meeting padulo.
Chaired by Mentaro Youth President Rostom Singnar, the program was also attended by local VDC Chairman Orson Rongpi, Dokmuka Municipal Board Chairman Biren Singh Teron, BJP Mondol President Purna Ingti, and several teachers and parents. Samsung Ingti reporting from Dokmuka, Karbi Anglong Live. In very delightful news, Pooja Das of Renu Terangpi Memorial College had brought laurel for her family by passing the HSS-LC exam conducted by Assam Higher Secondary Education Council with a good percentage of marks. Pooja is the daughter of Nipen Das and Debojani Das, residents of DC Colony, Diphu, Karbi Anglong. She secured 420 marks with letter in 5 subjects. She had passed her matriculation from Sankardev Shishu Vidyalay Nikitan, wherein she performed well. Teachers and people of the neighborhood had highly praised Pooja for her achievement for being the topper of the college. She expressed her gratitude to her parents and teachers for their guidance and help.
কলেজৰ সকলো গুৰুৱে মোক উৎসাহ কৰিছে যে তুমি পাৰিবা বুলি এই মেমহতৰ আৰু মা দেউতাৰ কথা মতে মই পঢ়িছো।
Pooja's father runs a tent house in Diphu and had always been very supportive to his daughter. He says that parents should not differentiate between sons and daughters and that above everything, parents should be concerned for the well-being of their children and never let them go astray. Bikram Crow from Diphu, Karbi Anglong Live. With no money left, Rup Singh Hanse and Rina Kropi has sought immediate financial assistance from the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and well-wishers for the medical treatment of their 9-year-old boy Barithe Hanse, who is suffering from Japanese encephalitis. The boy had suddenly fallen ill on June 23. The boy was first taken to Dengaon Hospital, where the doctors immediately referred the ill boy to Diphu Medical College and Hospital, Diphu. Presently, the boy is in Diphu Medical College and Hospital, and after the medical checkups, he had been diagnosed with Japanese encephalitis. Doctors here have said that the treatment cannot be done in Diphu, so the patient would have to refer to Guwahati for better treatment. In addition to lack of money, the parents of the ailing boy, who is deeply worried about the lockdown rules and their fears have been added due to lockdown. The parents have appealed upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Rohang for his kind and generous assistance towards saving their son's life. Vikram Crow report, Karbi Anglong Live. That's all we have with us for now. Thanks for watching Karbi Anglong Live.